The SCP vlog!
Alright, this one's for the
Slim Chases podcast!
vlog. I am just so excited.
Slim Chases podcast!
Slim Chases podcast!
Slim Chases podcast! The SCP vlog!
On the way to the range. I'm gonna shoot a gun.
Me too.
Pow pow. Pew pew.
We're almost to the range.
Alright, let's go do it. Alright, let's
Yes.
okay. Once we get him checked out, I'll give you all your safety readings. Great job.
Yeah, that's a big no-no in Baltimore. Holy shit. Oh, look, Heat Cannon.
Heat cannon!
Damn. Bro, from that time we were shooting, knowing with your suppressor.
These are all shots with just the laser light on the Glock. Just pointing it and shooting it. I never looked down the sights once on one of these shots. It's all laser work, baby. What? Yeah, you were. It looks so much more like.
I went out to the left.
It looked like you knew what you were doing. Like, it was nice. I wouldn't want to be on the other end.
Yeah, yeah. But now you, are you good? Now you know what it's like. I'm having a great time. That's a little bit better.
Papa John's fire. I think Papa John's better than Domino's, but I like it. The taste of the sauce.
The SCP vlog!